Okay guys.
Philippines, Saturday, January 4th, 2025, evening.
Overflow, Matina Pangi. Strong current. Strong current, overflow. Yan, yawas na.
Sabi, baha.
Paibalo sa tanan. Ang atuang Matina Biyaw Skwila. Critical level asla, critical level.
Some residents in Campo 2, along Talomo River in Calinan, Davao City, were affected by flooding, after heavy rains caused the water level to rise, on Saturday, January 4th, 2024, evening. The road was seen turning into a river with a strong current, and several houses were also submerged in floodwaters. Some residents have also begun to evacuate, to avoid unwanted things. The critical level situation is also in Matina River. Strong currents are increasing at kilometer 7, purok 3A. Rescue teams are now entering the Arroyo Complex, Matina Junction, as the water level inside the house is almost waist deep, and residents are struggling to get out. The Davao City Disaster Risk Reduction Management Office, CDRRRMO, has urged residents near the area to evacuate, and take precautionary measures.
Please evacuate na mo, strong current, overflow na. Oh no. Oliyo ko, evacuate na mo, evacuate. Samtang na pa oras.